between knowledge of sugar-based beverages and frequency of consumption among high school students. I did this project at the College of Dentistry. My mentor was Spencer Snyder. Too much sugar can be bad for your oral health. An average 20-ounce bottle of sugar, which is the middle one, contains 16 packets of sugar. If you drink 1 Coke a day, that will be 5,668 packets of sugar a year added to your regular sugar intake from your fruits and foods you eat. The purpose of my study was to see if the lack of knowledge affected a person's choice to drink. In this presentation, I will be going over my results and what we can do to change our habits. Background: sugar-based beverages, which include sports drinks, energy drinks, and sodas. When I refer to high school students, I mean when I see college. The issue is how the lack of knowledge of sugar-based beverages affect the oral health of high school students. Over 57% of 100 students who took my survey at USC College Prep know very little about the effects of sugar on the oral health. Survey design. My survey consisted of 5 multiple choice answers. To get the right information, I needed a research question to do my survey. With the use of the survey, I received information to conclude that the lack of knowledge does affect a person's choice to drink. The results. Rank your knowledge of health effects on sugary beverages. I'm going through my survey, basically. Well, basically we know a little and a lot. As we can see, 13, how I calculated my results is from 40 to 5 and 13 is between 57%. I decided to use that as people did not know much about sugar. And the 25 and 17 combined, I decided to make that as they knew a little more about sugar and the effects of it on the oral health. Some more results. From the following list, check out which you believe represents sugar on an ingredient list. I used this question because I wanted to know if people actually knew what sugar was and the different types of names for sugar. As we can see here, 79% didn't know sugar is sugar. 82% didn't know corn syrup was sugar. 25%, one-fourth of the population did not know that gum-cadia is not sugar. It is a main ingredient in a soft drink syrup to give it a dark color. 65% didn't know that sucrose was sugar, it's a different name. 16% knew that benzoate was not a sugar. Benzoate is a sodium, it's a food preservative to make the drinks last longer on the shelf. Fructose, 53% knew that was sugar. Glycerol ester of ribulose, 17% did not know that is not sugar. That keeps liquids. This is an additive they add to the drinks to make the liquids combine so they won't be separated. When drinks have sugar and water, they can become separated, then it includes them all together. And 19% said that I didn't know nothing about what type of sugar. How often do you consume drinks that contain sugar on a weekly basis? I chose this question because I wanted to know how people knew exactly how much sugar they drink a week in their types of drinks. This question was a kind of a weird question for someone to answer because I didn't really explain what I meant by sugar. It could have been natural sugars, mass-produced sugars, or someone chemically produced sugars. Which from here, these results would be more, maybe around 60-70%, should be 7 to 12, because this includes all types of sugars in orange juice, apple juice, just Gatorades and all this different things people drink, not just pop or other things. These are some other questions that I asked. I asked how old are you because I wanted to know what percent of the people took my survey to see if that correlated with how much sugar they drank. And this other one, which type of drinks do you consume most often? I used this one, but this was not really a good question to ask because it was a check off as much as you know question. So it's more than 100% answered the question, so it was kind of hard to decipher which one answered which. But as you can see, most people do drink water. About 70% of the, I don't know, almost 200% answered the question. And the second one is juice, and the third one is soda. But many don't really know that sports drinks do have the same amount of sugar as a can of soda. So that was pretty shocking. After analyzing the survey, I came to the conclusion that the average high school student was more at risk of developing bad oral habits due to the amount of sugar-based beverages that they consume on a daily basis. There were some things wrong with my survey I could have fixed them. I would have liked to ask if they were male or female to decide if a male consumes more sugar-based beverages than a male.